Caveman or long-lost time traveler? Scientists have unearthed something that effectively flips the table on everything we thought we knew about human evolution. The partial upper jawbone found during a 2002 excavation inside the Mislia cave in Israel took scientists 15 years to date. Their research, which included virtual reconstruction, places the jawbone as between 170,000 and 200,000 years old. The oldest human remains on record were found at Jebel Irhoud in Morocco. These are 300,000 years old. Many archaeologists believe humans migrated out of Africa around 60,000 to 150,000 years ago. The jawbone findings suggest humans left Africa 200,000 years ago. The jawbone contains 5 similarities to human jawbones. These are the small parabolic dental arch, an area of the incisive foramen. The finding corresponds with where the upper jaw and jaw ridge connect with the maxilla area of the human skull, as well as the position of the nasal cavity floor. If accepted as human, the jawbone could push back the history of human evolution by at least 100,000 years. Don't forget your fedora! Scientists discover ancient ticks that fed on dinosaurs. Scientists have discovered a new species of tick called Dinocroton draculae in ancient fossils. The name means Dracula's terrible tick. The ticks were found inside 99-million-year-old lumps of amber from Myanmar. 2 of the ticks were found with a dinosaur feather. 1 was wrapped around it. Researchers say the finding is the first direct evidence that ticks fed on feathered dinosaurs. Scientists suspect the feather belonged to an unknown type of dinosaur or an ancient bird species called enantiornithine. This one gorged so much on dino blood she bloated to 8 times her size and stayed that way for 99 million years. Now that's an epic cheat day. Scientists find new lead in Kokolisli mystery. Scientists have come one step closer to unlocking the secrets of a centuries-old contagion. New research published in Nature, Ecology and Evolution details a study looking at teeth from the remains of 29 skeletons at a centuries-old burial site in Toposkolula, Yakunda. Those at the burial site are said to have died during the Kokolisli outbreak, a 1545 epidemic that killed millions. The study linked the DNA found at a Teposkolula Yakunda with a subspecies of Salmonella enterica connected with the deadly enteric typhoid fever. The Kokolisli outbreak lasted from 1545 to 1550. According to National Geographic, another study from 2017 found the same bacteria on the remains of a Norwegian woman who passed in 1200. But whether or not the Mexican outbreak was from colonial Europeans remains unknown.
This is why Roman concrete outperforms our own. Roman concrete is known for being durable, so much so that some structures made of this material have lasted for thousands of years. Modern concrete structures, however, have significantly shorter lifespans. U.S. researchers have recently revealed the secret behind the longevity of Roman concrete. Roman concrete was typically made with a mixture of volcanic ash, rock, and lime. This mortar mixture proved to be well suited for the construction of harbors and piers. When seawater enters the concrete through tiny cracks, it reacts with the volcanic ash and lime to produce a crystal called tabermarite in a process known as pozzolanic reaction. The tabermarite crystals bind the concrete particles together, strengthening the concrete and increasing its durability. Researchers are currently experimenting with seawater and volcanic rock in order to create a mixture that could be used to build marine structures that are more durable and have longer lifespans. Global warming could unleash viruses in permafrost. Scientists warn that climate change is melting permafrost soils, which may lead to the release of ancient viruses and bacterium. Permafrost is permanently frozen soil. It is a good preserver for microbes and viruses because of low temperatures and the lack of oxygen. As temperatures in the Arctic Circle rise, the permafrost melts, which may lead to the release of trapped viruses. Layers of permafrost could also be exposed by mining and drilling operations. Meanwhile, bacteria that can form spores are able to survive longer compared to bacteria that do not form spores. In August 2016, more than 20 people were reportedly infected by the anthrax virus that was released by thawed permafrost in the Yamal Peninsula in the Arctic Circle.